So today is Monday, and I am on my way to the bank because I have to get a new debit card. So it is about 9:17, and I'm feeling pretty good this morning. I was gonna go to the gym, but then I was like, well, let me just go ahead and go to the bank first. But today is gonna be a pretty chill day. I don't have a real busy day because I did like a bunch of pre-recording over the weekend. So when I come home from the bank, then I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I need to do some journaling, and then do my schedule for the week, and that's pretty much it. Because like I said, I did that pre-recording, so I'm kind of ahead of the game right now, so I like that. Yeah, I look so crazy. I look like a freaking lion with this big hair. I didn't put anything on it this morning, so it's just like, it's a little dry, but she's still cute, period. I'm getting ready to take some of my pre-workout. This is the Essential Amino Energy. I ordered this from Amazon. I like to use the orange cooler, but they have like, I want to say 3 or 4 different flavors. So I'm almost out of this one. I'm out of breath because I had to go up 2 flights of stairs, and I caught myself trying to get like a little warm up in and ran up the stairs, and now I'm tired as hell. But let me take my pre-workout and then I'm going to the gym. All right, y'all, so here is my gym outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this Nike shirt that I got from Academy Sports years ago. Some little tights from Forever 21 and some little Nike shoes. So today's vlog is gonna be super chill. I'm gonna pull my hair back in a ponytail. I know on my last clip my lace was showing because I have not did anything. I just literally jumped out of bed, dropped my son off to school, went to the bank, and now I'm coming back home to go to the gym. But yeah, so I'm going to the gym. Hopefully I can force myself to work out for about 45 minutes, and then I plan on going to Home Goods to see if they have anything new in there, and then I'm coming back home. So like I said, today's vlog will be really chill because I pre-filmed over the weekend to make my Monday a little easier. So I don't really have much to do today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and yeah, let's go to the gym. All right, y'all, so I'm back home from the gym, and I cleaned myself up a little bit, put on some makeup, flat ironed my hair, which it looks so cute. So I'm getting ready to go to Home Goods because one of my girlfriends told me that they had some new items in there. So y'all know I love Home Goods, so I'm gonna go check them out. Then by the time I get done with that, it'll probably be time for me to go pick up my son. So I'm gonna go pick him up, and then I'm gonna come home, and I am done for the day. So I'm wearing some new lashes today, y'all. I'm actually wearing the 805s. That's my second favorite pair of lashes by the same brand. Cherry Blossom is the lashes that I wear, and they look pretty cute. The only difference is these are shorter in the front and longer in the back, which I like. The only thing, I have to wear eyeliner when I wear these lashes because they won't look right. Well, to me, they don't really look right without the eyeliner, but y'all know I wear eyeliner anyway, so I think they look pretty. What y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments if you guys like my lashes. But yeah, let me get out of here and let's go to Home Goods. It is about 6:30 and the boys just left for football practice. Well, my husband took my son to football practice, and now I'm getting ready to make some dinner, clean up my kitchen. I just vacuumed up my place and tidied up a little bit. So I'm gonna do some chicken breasts with some baked chicken breasts with some cream of mushroom and peas and yellow rice. So good. If you guys have not tried that, y'all need to try it because that meal is lit. Okay, we used to eat that all the time coming up. My mom and my dad used to make it for us, and that's just something that we've always done. So it tastes really good. So that's what I'm about to do. I have the chicken breast sitting in some water, but I think it is unfrozen by now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my dinner started. Ryan is supposed to come over here. He's coming to pick something up. So yeah, let me go ahead and get my dinner started. My brush is clean today. This is the brush that I use to do my face masks with, and then just a few of my beauty blenders because I've been using the same ones. Okay, Google, pause. So hard-headed. But yeah, so I got to get these clean. Just a few brushes. Y'all know I'm not big on makeup brushes. I only have like a handful of them. So, but I have more than this. But these are the only ones that I've been reaching for recently. So I'm going to go ahead and get those clean. Hey y'all. So I got all my beauty blenders and my brushes nice and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me. I know it wasn't that exciting, but thank you so much for spending the day with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye y'all.